All right, so it is time to start filling in my budget items. All right, so I tried to cram everything onto the screen here. So I just filled out my sort of tracker as I was going, and I'm gonna just pop in what I've got. I've got my sales, and that's from my revenue column. My labor, raw materials, outsourcing fee, promotion, which is my contracts, research and development, outsourcing contracts, so that would be my factory cost, fixed operating expenses. I just highlighted the row that I'm working with in orange. Storage, I didn't bother adding storage. So for my depreciation, I have my depreciation amount plus my amortization amount. Down here at the bottom, it's showing me the sum of that is $34,167. And interest expense, $15,303. All right, so that is my operating budget, except for my storage. And now my cash flow. So cash receipts from customers, that's the same as my revenue. Cash paid to suppliers. Employees. Marketing. Utilities. Storage, I didn't add. Did you catch my mistake? I just did. Remember, the research and development just goes in the cash flow. And loan repayment. Now remember, this needs to be a negative number. All right. So now what's that look like? So I can see I'm going to have a good bit of cash. I'm happy with that. Hopefully this is my actual net income. That'd be lovely. And I'll set that as complete. And let's see how I did. Yeah, you can see here I am now stopping, and I didn't meet all my contracts, which is a whoopsie on my part. How did I do on my financial report? Okay, so I've got a deviation here. So in my income statement, I had other revenue. Oh, that's because I completed an exercise. Forgot. I have some deviations here. I wonder where that happened. You know, if I was to go back to my quarter, I pulled the numbers from the right spots, but you know, sometimes it might be because of, you know, not meeting all the quarters or something like that. My storage costs, which I wasn't counting for anyway. Yeah, but all in all, I mean, I had a decent sized deviation here, which I'm wondering if I made some changes to my, oh, I did. I changed my production rate at one of my factories from 150 to like 176, I think. So that's probably what happened. Yeah. I forgot I did that. That's my fault. I changed the factory I owned. I changed the production rate, and that's where that mistake came from. What about in my cash flow? Yeah, that same deviation, and then the cash receipts. I'm assuming that's from the contracts I didn't deliver on, which I shouldn't have added them into my revenue amount. All right, well, I hope that helps. I'm going to cut all this mess together and see if it's an actual video.